Why your brain fights itself, the Stroop Effect. Have you ever looked at the word red written in blue ink and felt your brain hesitate for just a second? That moment of confusion isn't a glitch. It's your brain fighting itself, and it's called the Stroop Effect. The Stroop Effect is a psychological phenomenon discovered in 1935 by John Ridley Stroop. It happens when your brain receives conflicting information and struggles to decide which part to focus on. Here's the classic example. You see the word green, but it's written in red ink. Your task is to say the color of the ink, not the word itself. Sounds easy, right? But your brain slows down. Why? Because reading is automatic. Reading words is something your brain does without effort. You don't decide to read, it just happens. Identifying colors, on the other hand, requires conscious attention. So when the word and the color don't match, two parts of your brain compete. One part wants to read the word. The other wants to name the color. This internal conflict causes delay, mistakes, and frustration. Your brain is literally arguing with itself. What the Stroop Effect reveals about your mind. The Stroop Effect shows us three powerful truths about how our brains work. First, not all mental processes are equal. Some are automatic, others require effort. Second, attention is limited. When two tasks compete, performance suffers. And third, your brain is not always under your control, even when you think it is. Why this matters in real life. The Stroop Effect isn't just a lab experiment. It helps scientists understand attention and focus, decision-making, self-control, cognitive flexibility. What's happening inside the brain? Neuroscience studies show that the Stroop Effect activates areas like the anterior cingulate cortex, which detects conflict, the prefrontal cortex, responsible for decision-making and self-control. Your brain must suppress the automatic response and choose the correct one. That extra effort costs time and mental energy. What the Stroop Effect teaches us. The Stroop Effect reveals key truths about human cognition. Some mental processes are hardwired and fast, others are slower but flexible, and controlling attention requires active mental effort. It proves that multitasking is mostly an illusion. Call AMRI Counseling Services at 414-455-33879, that is 414-455-33879, or visit our website at www.amrightcounseling.com. AMRI Counseling Services, compassionate connection, positive strategy for change.